Good morning, student. I am Mr. A.K. Mishra, PET, middle shift. Hope you all are fine. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss national game of different countries. As you know, game is the integral part of our life. So, each and every country participate in game. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss the national game of different countries. There are total 195 countries in the world. But in this lecture, we will discuss about some important countries. This video is very helpful in your further studies as it contains very informative information which will help you in Olympiad and competitive examination in your coming life. So, pay attention in the video. And one more thing, prepare with pen and paper and concentrate on the video. At the last of the video, I will give you some quizzes to solve. So, concentrate on the topic. India is our country and its capital is New Delhi. The national sport of India is hockey. But hockey is called de facto game of India. Why it is called de facto game of India? Because according to Ministry of Sports, no game is national game of India. But by the fact of hockey is called national sports of India. So, hockey is called de facto game of India, but till now, according to Ministry of Sports, no game is national game of India. Number of players in hockey is 11 in each team. Hockey is played between two teams, so each team have 11 players. Other games, most popular game is cricket, football, chess and kabaddi. It is very popular in our country. So remember the national game of country and number of players and capital of that country. That is most important. The second country is Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra and the national sport of Australia is cricket. Number of players in cricket is 11 in both teams. As all know, cricket is very popular game. Other sports being played in Australia is rugby, horse racing and football. The next country is Pakistan. Pakistan is one of our neighboring country. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. National sport of Pakistan is field hockey. The number of players in hockey is 11 as we discussed earlier. Other sports being played in Pakistan is cricket, kabaddi and football. The next country is Japan. Capital city of Japan is Tokyo and national sports of Japan is wrestling or sumo wrestling. Players in wrestling is one from both the team, and most popular game in Japan is martial arts. In Japanese it is called Jiu-Jitsu. Football is also popular in Japan. Next country is Canada. Capital city of Canada is Ottawa. There are two national games of Canada. One is played in winter and another is played in summer. The winter national game of Canada is ice hockey and the summer game is lacrosse. Lacrosse is played with lacrosse stick and lacrosse ball, as you can see it in the figure. It is like football but not played with foot, it is played with hand. Player have to goal the ball in the goal court of the opposite team, but with hand, with lacrosse stick. Number of players in ice hockey is 6 in each team and number of players in lacrosse is 10 in each team. Other sports being played in Canada is basketball, football, chess, table tennis, etc. Next country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is also our neighboring country. The capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka. National sports of Bangladesh is kabaddi. Kabaddi is also popular in our country. Number of players in kabaddi is 7 in each team. Other sports being played in Bangladesh is cricket and football. The next country is Russia. Capital city of Russia is Moscow. National sports of Russia is bandy. Number of players in bandy is 11 in each team. Bandy is like ice hockey. It is also played on ice, in which skater use sticks to direct a ball into opposite team goal. It is like ice hockey being played on ice field. It is not played on grass field, it is played on ice field. And the number of players in bandy is 11 in each team. Other sports popular in Russia is chess and football. Chess is very much popular in Russia. The next country is Spain. The capital city of Spain is Madrid. The national sports of Spain is bullfighting. Other sports in Spain is chess, football, tennis, etc. Next country is USA. Capital city of USA is Washington DC. National sports of USA is baseball. Baseball is like bat ball we played in India. It is also played between two teams. The bowler who throw the ball is called pitcher, and ball is being hit by base, so it is called baseball. Other sports popular in USA is football, tennis, and chess. Next country is England. The capital city of England is London. National sport of England is cricket. The origin of cricket is also from England. Number of players in cricket is 11 in each team. Other sports played in England is football, tennis. Sri Lanka. Capital city of Sri Lanka is Colombo. National sports of Sri Lanka is volleyball. Number of players in volleyball is 6 in each team. Sri Lanka is also our neighboring country. It touches southern part of India. Next country is Bhutan. The capital city of Bhutan is Thimphu, and the national game of Bhutan is archery. Archery is the sport that is practiced using a bow to shoot the arrow to hit the target. As you see it in the image, one person use bow to shoot the arrow to hit the target. Earlier time or ancient time, archery has been used for hunting or to combat, but modern time it is a part of sports. The next country is Afghanistan. The capital city of Afghanistan is Kabul. National sports of Afghanistan is Vujkasi. It is a horse mounted game. It is similar to polo, but the horse mounted player attempt to place a goat in the goal. The number of players in Vujkasi is 12 in each team. The next country is China. The capital city of China is Beijing. National sports of China is table tennis. Table tennis is played in singles and double. In single, both team have one player only, and in double, both team have two players. Table tennis, also called ping pong. In China, it is also popular as ping pong. The next country is Brazil. The capital city of Brazil is Brasilia. National sports of Brazil is football. And the number of players in each team of football is 11. Football is also called soccer. In many countries, football is called soccer. The next country is Turkey. The capital city of Turkey is Ankara. National sports of Turkey is wall wrestling. Wall wrestling is also called grease wrestling. It is called so because the wrestler dose themselves with olive oil. Now some quizzes for you. You have to practice these quizzes as I have told you earlier. Then the first question is, how many players are there in baseball? So you have 5 seconds. Your answer is C. The number of players in baseball is 9. Question number 2. National game of Bangladesh. Which of the following is national game of Bangladesh? Attempt the question. You have 5 seconds. Your answer is Kabaddi. National game of Bangladesh is Kabaddi. We have discussed question in earlier video. Next question is, how many players are there in volleyball? Attempt the question. How many players are there in volleyball? Your answer is 6. The number of players in volleyball is 6. So in today's class we have learned the different countries, their capital, their national sports, and the number of players in that sport. So this is the very informative video. It will help you in your further studies. In many Olympiad and many quizzes it is being asked. So practice it at home. Thank you once again.